Namaste, Pranam, hello from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. So, continuing with our Focus 4 series, let's look into the 4 words govern, happen, half, heard. So, let's move on to the first word govern. Govern, govern. Govern a country, govern by rules. Self-control is an important factor in governing oneself. Prices are governed by supply and demand. Govern your thoughts when alone and your tongue when in company. You should govern your temper. India has a parliamentary form of government. Our leader is very capable of governing our country. The second word is happen. Happen, happen. Happen again, happen too, may happen. What happened? How did the accident happen? The car skid. Oh, that was really bad. Such things should not happen. It is said that change happens slowly. Hey there, what's happening? Great things are happening. Shruti is getting married. Wow, that's great. Congratulations, Shruti. What about a party? It will happen soon. Then let's plan to make it happen in a big way. Yeah. Happy things always happen when you reset your mind to see only good. I agree with you. The third word is half. Half full, half hour, one half. Half of the class went to the planetarium to see the solar eclipse. During solar eclipse, half of the sun was blocked by the moon. What do you see in this half glass of water? Half full or half empty? To begin is half the work done. Well begun is half done. To be prepared is half the victory. So it's always better to begin in the right way. It takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. Nobody else is going to do anything with your life unless you start and you say, yes, I'm going to do, and you start working on your life. The fourth word is heard. Have heard. Be heard. Never heard of. The doctors heard the baby's heart beat. I heard a loud noise and went outside to see what happened. We heard the thunderstorm rolling in before it started raining. I heard the thunder of running feet and I looked to see where the noise was coming from. And you know what? I saw a herd of elephants coming. Here, herd is H-E-R-D, herd. Herd means a group of elephants coming. Have you heard the story of Tenali Rama? Yes, I have heard the story and it's very, very good. It has a lot of moral in it. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Be happy always and thank you for being my inspiration.